Welcome, my dear children. You are a part of chapter number 1, The Plant Kingdom, part 1. Chapter number 1, The Plant Kingdom, has been taken from our book Environmental Awareness, that is EVS book. Let's know about the new words of the chapter. First is pigment. Its meaning is the natural curling of plant. The green plants have green color because they have the pigment of green color known as chlorophyll. So pigment gives the natural coloring to the plant. Second is bud. Growth on a plant that develops into a leaf, flower or shoot. Third word is moisture, meaning presence of water vapor in air. Fourth, marshy areas. Marshy areas are the areas of land which remains always wet, like a marsh. Fifth word is ripened, meaning fully developed or matured and ready to be eaten or used. In this chapter, we are going to read about the types of roots and their functions and parts of flower and its uses. Plants are living beings. We all know that plants are living beings and they play a very important role in our life. They give us food and one of the most important thing, that is oxygen to live. Like we human beings have different parts and their functions, like eyes to see, legs to walk, hands to write, lips, tongue, teeth to speak, nose to smell, skin to feel, ears to hear. Similarly, plants have different parts to do various functions. Two main parts of the plants are shoot system and root system. Let's know what is shoot system and what is root system. First, we will talk about the root system. The part that grows under the soil in the downward direction is called root system. It supports the plant and keeps it firm to the soil. Firm means it holds the plant tightly to the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil so that the leaves can get the water and minerals properly to prepare the food. Next, they also help in storing food for the growth of the plant. Now we will move to the shoot system. The part that grows above the soil in upward direction is called shoot system. It consists of stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. It is the aerial part that enables a plant to grow by absorbing the sunlight. Now you can see in the diagram, we have shoot system. In shoot system, we have flower, leaf, fruit, stem. And in root system, we have only roots. Roots are used to absorb water and minerals. Flower is used in reproduction. Reproduction means producing their young ones. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seeds. Stem supports the plant and help the plant to stand upright above the soil. Now we will talk about what is photosynthesis. Preparing food for the plant. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide to make their own food. As we all know that green plants are the producers. Producers means they can make their own food. They are the only living beings on the earth that can prepare their own food. And how they prepare their own food? They use sunlight, they use chlorophyll, they use water and carbon dioxide to make their food. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the plant which gives green color to the plants. Now, what is the use of chlorophyll? It helps the plants to absorb energy from the sun to undergo the process of photosynthesis. Now we will talk about the different kinds of roots. We have 6 types of roots here. Main are taproot and fibrous root. Then we have aerial root, breathing root, storage roots and propagative roots. First we will talk about the taproot. What is taproot? Taproot is one thick main root having small branches like mango tree, peepal, etc. Now let's talk about the fibrous roots. Slender and nearby equal sized roots that spread out sideways from the end of the stem. They do not go very deep and they are spread like our hair. The way our hair spread out, similarly these roots also spread out. They don't have any main root. Example, wheat plant, rice plant, grass, etc. Let's talk about the storage roots. These roots are edible roots which store extra food made by the plants like carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, sweet potato, etc. Propagative roots. Propagative roots are the roots where buds are produced along with the roots of the plants like sweet potato, strawberry plant, etc. Now we will talk about the aerial roots. What is the meaning of aerial? The part that hangs in the air. So, aerial roots means the roots which are hanging above the ground. They hang from the branches and reach to the ground. These roots support heavy branches and absorb moisture from the air. Example, banyan tree. Coming to the next root, that is breathing root. These roots grow above the soil to help the plant to breathe. These plants grow in the marshy areas where the soil is waterlogged and the plants are not able to breathe properly. So these roots grow above the soil and help the plant to breathe properly. Example, mangrove tree, etc. Thank you. I hope you have understood part 1 of this chapter.